Hello friends, welcome to my new video on SUMIFS formulas in Excel. Today we're going to learn the answer of these questions, that what is SUMIFS formula and what does its syntax mean? And question number 2, why has SUMIFS formulas been used in Excel? And question number 3 is how to use the SUMIFS formulas in Excel. So let's get started. So here is my data. Here is some data here, about 300 rows here, here. So to understand the SUMIFS formulas, I am going to copy those headers to show the how to use the SUMIFS formulas. I'm just copy and pasting here the header. Okay, there is my header. To make this calculation easy, I have to make the data converted to table in Excel. So to make the data into table, just click on the data anywhere in the data range and press Ctrl plus T from your keyboard like this, and the create dialog box will be opened here. And if you have the uh, header in your data, then uh, on the tick mark here and click on OK. Okay, you can see the data. I'm just changing the color here. You can see the data. Uh, then you can ask me why you create the data into table, because it helps us to calculate the SUMIFS formulas easily. That's why I'm converting the data range into table. I will show how it help you. I'm here just writing the unique formula to find out the cell division name. So here is the unique formula, third here, click on it. And the syntax say the array of cell division. Go to the raw data tab and select the cell, select the cells division here, cells division here. Here is the cells division. Okay, then click on it and select all of the row. To select all of the row, just press Ctrl Shift plus down arrow from your keyboard. Those are selected and press enter. Here the value is here, the text is here, the division, cells division name is here. This is unique, not duplicated value. So I found the cell division name, Dhaka, Rajshahi, Khulna, Chittagong, Rangpur and Kumilla. And some in the same way, I'm just drag it on the product name. This product name is here. That is also unique name. Okay, unique name. So now I am going to use SUMIFS formulas here, And first of all, I'm explain what is sum ifs. Sum means the adding some value or total value of some range, and ifs means condition. If you if you want to see that there is a sum formula here, the sum formula means the total. And also, if you want to see the if formula, here is the if formula and ifs formula. If means condition, with a condition. Ifs means more than one condition you can use. So the combination sum formulas and if formulas, the developer of Excel make a sum if formulas. That's mean you have to, if you want to know some value or total value with a specific condition, then you can find out the total value with a specific condition by using the SUMIFS formulas. Like Dhaka, in Dhaka, how much amount has been sold, or how much amount Apple has been sold from this data here. So it is not easy to calculate, but if we use the SUMIFS formula, then it will be easy like this. I am just demonstrating here. Okay, just write equal sign and if sum ifs. Second one, click on here, and you have already know that I already made the table here. So the table, let me check what was my table name. My table name is table 2. So go to here and equal sign sum ifs, and table name is table 2 here existing. So click on it and open the third bracket, and here is the list of my uh, column name. So I need, the column name is amount. So here is the sum range, means syntax say you need to select the sum range. Sum range is amount, selling amount, selling price. So click on it and press comma, criteria number, criteria range 1. Criteria range 1 means my criteria range is cell division, that is cell table and cell division here, and press comma, then criteria 1. Criteria 1's needed because my criteria range 1 was the cell division. That means I have to select here, select one of those. So I'm going to select the Dhaka here, then I'm closing the parenthesis, then press enter. Here is the value. Is the value, the cell amount for Dhaka. So it's mean here is the lot of data amount here. So how much selling amount or selling price from Dhaka I can find out by using the SUMIFS formula. So I am just press Ctrl+1 from my keyboard, and currency, I am setting the currencies dollar, So American dollar here. So you can choose any one from this, anyone, click OK. And here is the value. So you can use it for all of item here, and if you drag it right side, then you can find the unit, how much quantity from Dhaka. So this is the very easy way to understand with a specific condition to find out the total amount of something. So uh, you already know that SUMIFS formula is very useful in Excel to find out the sum or total value with specific condition. So if you manually calculate those value, that will be very time consuming here, right? But if you know the SUMIFS formula in proper way, then you can find out the desired result, or to solve the uh, solve the uh, problem. So here is the value. So I am going to finish my video here. Uh, in the next video, I will discuss in different topics in advanced formulas or advanced chart in my video. So see you there. Bye bye.